Hello everybody. Today we are going to see the unboxing of Erba Mannheim Excel system pack for CKMB. So guys, this is the top and the front view of the box, and let me show you the sides. So this is the catalog number for it, 120620. You can see CKMB 2 into 44 ml reagent kits, reagent 1 and 2 kit. You can find the expiry and the manufacturing date here. You can see this is temperature control, C certified IVD product. You can find the manufacturing address here. So this is the other side of it. Find the manufacturing address. Okay guys, to summon it up, this is the Erba Mannheim Excel system pack of CKMB. You can find the details here, the code, the catalog number, the volume of reagents present, the expiry date. You can see the certifications here. So thank you.